color combos that work like magic in the ready-to-wear industry. Now, let me tell you the magic these colors will make for you. One is that these colors can go for men and women. So it's unisex. So when you are going in, you are assessing these colors, it gives you an opportunity that when you jam a woman that has a husband, she will quickly say, oh, I need it for both myself and my husband. And if for somebody that has children, whether male or females, the person might say, oh, I want it for my wife and my children too. Now, gone are the days where men want to wear ashwebi, as in lace, husband and wife. They hardly do it because most times environment does not allow our men and women to go out together now for functions. Do you understand? So they go out mostly for casual get-togethers. These are colors that can match for every occasion. It's not every time that a husband will want to wear fila and Ankara or lace and go out with his wife. Ready to wear business, what we target is that thing that you people can be wearing on a daily basis. They can wear this and go shopping. They can wear this and go for birthday parties. They can wear this and just hang out. They can wear this for a family get together. That is the target. Now, these colors are colors that fit for both men and women. But there are ways that you will combine this color. People will not want to buy it. So I want to show you color combos that go together. Now, I will also be telling you how to combine these colors. Now, this is one. Listen to how you can sell effectively in it. Let me tell you what I do. Beyond making 2-piece, I have gone ahead to make 3-piece. Yes. So I can choose that, okay, I want to make a 2-piece that is this green color. Do you understand? Now, 2-piece that is green color, I will make it up and down green color. Then I will use the brown color to make one extra shirt for the person. So the person can afford to wear, okay, all purple. The person can as well want to wear all pink. And the person can as well want to wear purple and pink. Do you understand? So when I'm making it, I'm going to make it two of each. I'm not talking to people that want to go into that are coming into the ready to wear business in bulk. Now, let me tell you how to make it. You will buy these fabrics in bulk. So you're making 2-piece purple. You're making 2-piece light pink. Do you understand? Now, you will now merge it and make it 3-piece. And these are colors that are matured. Colors that when people see it, they will tend to say, how is this? How is it looking? How is this? Now, I want to advise you, when going into these colors, please do not invest in crepe. Crepe does not really bring out that fullness in color in it. Crepe will do it too, but it doesn't bring it out in color. Now, if you cannot go for higher qualities, I prefer you go for Duchess. Now, there are types of Duchess, so because people go and buy Duchess and they will end up not getting the effect they want from the Duchess they bought. Please, any Duchess that you are buying that is not bouncing and has weight, that's not the Duchess I'm talking about. When you are investing in this kind of fabric, invest in it with your full chest. Don't be scared. People will buy it. I'm going to be posting a video I made about one of my customers, a person I am mentoring. I will upload a video I made. She made 500 bed sheets and is hitting the street once with that 500 bed sheet. Now, the beauty of this is if you have 100,000, invest it in this fabric, make it, go all out and sell. Storm banks, storm offices, storm marketplace, sell it, you can rest. Do you understand? You can rest. You supply to boutiques, you supply to vendors that are on the roadside, you supply to vendors that are in the market, you can rest. And most of the times, please let me not forget to also tell you, when you are supplying vendors on the streets, know it that you might not take your money immediately, but you will definitely take your money, whether they sell or they don't sell. If they don't sell, you take back your fabric, but if they sell, you are happy. All these things is about risk. If you are not ready to risk, please do not come to this business, because business only you mad BP. Mad BP, but the money is there to be made. The money is there to be made. This is one color that I love so much, powder pink and burgundy. Powder pink is very cool on the skin. It's very cool on the body, whether you're dark in complexion and fair in complexion. But mostly for fair people, powder pink is perfect. Now, powder pink combined with burgundy is a color that every head will turn to look. Do you understand? So when making it, you can make powder pink two-piece, burgundy two-piece, then merge it. Do you understand? Add one to the other ones. Add one. So anybody that is buying either two shirts or two trousers, two shirts and one trouser, or two trousers and one shirt. So they can afford to wear the trouser anyhow that they want. Remember, please, when making this kind of clothes, do not make it fitted trouser. Palazzo trouser is the best. Do you understand? So when you are making this kind of colors, you find out that a man, if it's a man you met, you can equally sell to a man and say, "Oh, I can make for your wife." If he wants to wear it, if you are putting it on, and God help you, you are a woman that has shape and you are putting it on and the man sees it, he's having a feeling or an idea of how his wife is going to look in it as you are marketing. And I'm telling you, in this period, women, we are too economical, we too like to dey manage. Market men mostly do not market, not that you shouldn't market women though. You can go ahead and market women, but I'm telling you, target the men. Now the men hold the money and they are ready to spend. And you and I know where to meet these men. No be me go teach you. If you don't know where to meet these men, let me know in the comment section that you don't know where to meet them. Then I will give you one-on-one coaching, and it's going to be free of charge. One-on-one coaching on where you can meet these men. They have this money, they are ready to spend. Waiting then they find and waiting them fit buy. Have you followed 44 clothings? Have you seen how much 44 clothings uh, uh, clothes are going for? One jersey 60,000, one shirt 45,000. And let me tell you, she's in business today because people are buying. If people are not buying, she won't be advertised. She would have been doing something else online. But if you find out she's seriously marketing this her product. So these are the color combos you should look in their directions and make it, go all out with it and sell. This December, people don't have a lot of money, so people might not be doing a lot of Georges, Hollandis, laces. People might not be doing it. People might be just be doing things like this just for outing on that 25th. Go out, a lot of wahala dey outside, so a lot of people won't even want to be hanging on gatherings too much like that. Just hang out with your family and come back. These are the terms you are going to use and market it to the man while you are talking to the man. Take this and buy this and buy for your wife and buy for your children. You can use it for photo shoot. Nothing where see, at this point you have to sell shame. Sell shame because you want to make money, except you don't want to make money. If I want to market for you, you'll be shocked at the kind of things I'll be saying. And those are the kind of things that will attract men to even say, you don't too talk. Oh, ma, I just patronize you. You don't sell one, you don't go where you they go. So go all out this December. I'm bringing to you what you can do that is out of the norm. Please don't forget, if you want to sell this style quickly, do not invest in crepe. No invest in crepe, except you can see shiny crepe. Duchess is the fabric for this. God bless you.